I'm Alex Weaver. I'm going to show you how to use the results page for your home booster campaign with Adfenix. Start with the Campaign is now live email from Adfenix. It contains a link to the campaign's results page. Click the Follow Results button here. This is the live results page for my listing. It updates in real time, so my seller can see interest building daily on their property. At the top, you'll see the property, and on the right, my agent profile and contact details. In this section, you can see the impact of the campaign. Total visitors are shown here, and on the right, the breakdown of where the visitors found the listing. Social media ads covers Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other ads shared via social media. Here, campaign statistics give me a detailed breakdown, with total people reached here, and at the bottom, audience profiles by age and gender. Here are easy access links to the ads on all channels. This makes it easy for me and my seller to view and share the ads at any point in the campaign to build more interest. My sellers love to see this kind of data, and for me, it's a great way to maintain that client relationship and reassure them they've made the right decision in choosing me to sell their home. For more on sharing this with your seller or anything else Adfenix related, you can always check out the other how-to videos or contact support@adfenix.com. See you next time.